Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your 3-inch lift kit for your CFMOTO Uforce 1000. For demonstration purposes, I have removed the bed so that you can better see how the kit goes on. The first thing we got to do is take both your upper shock bolts off and let the suspension fall down, because we have to make clearance for your boots so they don't rub your lower arms. So this is a true lift kit. This is not a spacer lift kit that just adds ground clearance. This actually moves your suspension down. In order to achieve that, your lower boot will rub the A-arm if you don't clearance it. So what we will do is let your suspension fall down and take a marker and mark where you're going to cut your lower A-arm. Now that we have made our marks on the lower A-arm, we're going to remove the lower A-arm and clearance it out with a grinder. Now that you have removed your lower arm, you can see where you marked. You want to grind that area so the boot doesn't rub the arm. Now that you got your hole clearance for your boot clearance, I would hit it with some black paint to keep from rusting. Now that you have made your boot clearance on both sides of the rear lower arms, it is now time to start installing your rear lift brackets. You want to start by removing the 2 bolts that hold on this heat shield. You're going to start by placing your bracket underneath the taillight wires and sliding it again into place. And then you will take your spacer and put between the frame rail and start your bolt. Now you're ready to put your shock bolts in. You will move your shock to the lower hole and you'll place a washer on either side of the shock. So now you're ready to put your last bolt in. You're going to put the 10mm bolt from the top and the large washer from the bottom with your 10mm flange head nut. Now we're ready to tighten everything up and do the other side and move to the front. Now you're ready to reinstall your heat shield back in this factory location. Okay, now that we're ready to start the front, we're going to take the front plastic off so you can better see pictures in the video. Okay, now to start the front, you want to take your 2 upper shock bolts out and let your suspension drop down. You have 2 different brackets. You have one bracket with the Thumper Fab logo and one without. The one with the Thumper Fab logo is your front bracket and the one without is your rear bracket. We're going to start by putting your rear bracket in, being careful to watch for wires and hoses. We'll set that there. Now you can slide your front bracket in, also being careful for hoses and wires. We're going to start by putting your bolts through the front bracket first. You will add your spacer between the frame and then you'll add your rear bracket to the bolt. Now you're ready to attach your upper shock. You want to start by putting the bolt through your shock hole, and then you want to use a washer on either side of the shock as a spacer. Now you want to repeat the same steps on the other side. Before you tighten all your bolts, you want to make sure that all your wires are clear from getting pinched in between the brackets in the frame or the brackets in the shock. And then you can tighten your bolts and you're ready to ride.